Welcome back to Crypto Toronto. Today's video, we'd like to discuss Shiba Inu, how it's currently performing, and what we could expect during the upcoming hours and days. But before doing so, I would highly appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up down below, and even more important, follow me on Twitter at ThoroughCrypto. It will be highly appreciated if you could follow me. So thank you very much already. Let's get started on Shiba Inu on the daily time frame. What you can clearly see is that we were trading actually inside of this falling wedge pattern for quite a long period of time. What I think is actually quite important about this development is that we did actually see a breakout here above this descending resistance several days ago. What is actually going on right now, and what I would like to discuss right away, is where we could see actually major levels of resistance once we see further increase in price action taking place on Shiba. So to do so, I would like to place a fixed range volume profile from swing high towards swing low. And what you can clearly see is that approximately at 0.0004, we are going to see a level of resistance getting created. So therefore, if we do see further increase right now, once we reach the 23.6 Fibonacci, we will expect a major resistance range. Why is this the case? It's due to the fact that we traded the most amount of volume during this downtrend at this exact same range. So once we are going to see further increase, we could perhaps see right here a resistance range getting created that might be very difficult to break out above, find support on top, and see further continuation afterwards. So we have to take into consideration that once we reach this area, we could see decline afterwards. That is for sure something I wanted to discuss right away. And if we head towards the immediate short term, what I think is important to know is that if we place once more a fixed range volume flow from swing low towards swing high, you can see that in the immediate short term, we will be actually seeing the most amount of resistance right above it at 0.0003. So this is for sure the level of resistance in the immediate short term that we would like to see a breakout occur above to see further continuation towards the upside afterwards. Otherwise, if we are not able to break out above this range, it is likely that we are going to retest once more levels where we have previously found support on top, such as the 0% Fibonacci at 0.0002 dollar cents. That is for sure what I would like to show you right away, but I would like to place a third break range volume profile from swing high towards swing low in the immediate short term to let you see that we are actually right now trading in between a level of support and resistance. Why is this the case? It's because with the swing high to swing low fixed range volume profile, we are seeing the most amount of volume being traded right underneath us, but from swing low towards swing high, we have seen the most amount of volume traded above us. Therefore, we are right now trading inside of a support and resistance range. And what I would like to see is eventually a breakout occur above it and further continuation of momentum towards the upside. And if we do see a breakdown underneath this level, heading towards the zero range Fibonacci is actually very likely to occur. So you have to monitor the price development on Shiba Inu right now very closely. This being said, I would like to enable right away the EMA ribbon. On the daily time frame, what you can see is that we retested the EMA ribbon right now for the very first time after a very long downtrend. We did not get supported by the EMA ribbon. We broke down below it, and right now we are retesting this range, and perhaps we are seeing a rejection taking place due to the fact that we are not seeing any type of support being found on top of the EMA ribbon so far. And to see actually support being found on top of this range, you would like to see as well a support being found on top of this range of resistance right above us. Otherwise, as I said previously, if we decline further below this level of support below us, we could see even further decline in price action. So that is for sure something very interesting. And if we head towards the 4-hourly time frame, what you can see is that we are retesting the EMA ribbon right now as a level of support. But I do have concerns, and the reason why is because we are breaking down below this range, and we also saw this level of resistance above us where we did actually retest just 1 hour ago and we got rejected. So this is actually telling me that we could perhaps expect more decline in price action. But so far, I would be actually quite glad if we could see a stronghold getting found on top of this support zone and eventually see a major move towards the upside taking place. So that is something that actually still looks bright to me. But if we do break down below this area, further decline is absolutely high likely to occur, and that would be quite devastating due to the fact that I'm very pumped about Shiba Inu development, because we are seeing the first higher low getting created after a very long period of decline in price action. So right now it is actually setting itself up for more momentum towards the upside, and that is exactly what we would like to see during the upcoming weeks, especially in 2022. This being said, I would like to discuss right away the MACD, and on the MACD what you can see is that we already experienced major momentum towards the downside for quite a while, meaning that if we do right now see an increase or a stronghold getting created in between these two ranges, we could expect eventually a major momentum towards the upside taking place once we see a crossover occur, and as well an increase of price action. So right now this does actually look very good on the 4-hourly time frame, and if we head towards the daily time frame, you are seeing actually the opposite taking place. So right now the development is crucial on the chart, and as I said previously, it depends all on these two levels that I'm showing you right now at 0.003 at 0.0034, due to the fact that if we break out above this range, it is high likely that we're going to see further increase heading towards the 23.6 Fibonacci, and otherwise if we do see a breakdown occur below these ranges heading towards the 0% of Fibonacci is absolutely high likely to occur. So that is something I wanted to discuss for sure. And lastly, during this video I would like to enable the RSI. On the RSI on the daily time frame, what you can see is that we are trading at exactly 50 range, therefore we could expect more momentum towards the upside. But what does concern me is that we are seeing a minor bearish divergence. The reason why is because we are seeing this lower high getting formed, but we are as well seeing this higher high on the RSI, and we did actually already experience momentum or decline in price action ever since that point in time. So right now what I'm actually hoping to see is a major movement towards the upside getting started, and as well a further increase in price action, eventually breaking out above the 23.6 Fibonacci, and as I said during the beginning of this video, even more momentum towards the upside getting created. So right now I am actually looking forward to this development on Shiba Inu, and I personally think that we still have plenty of space on the RSI to see incredible growth during the upcoming weeks, and especially in 2022. So lastly, during this video I would like to thank you for watching for sure, and if you did enjoy, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. But even more importantly, if you are not yet invested in Shiba Inu and you are willing to do so, do not forget that down below in the description you will be able to earn up to 4,100 USD Tether by using the link to Bybit. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me those big thumbs ups. Thank you, bye bye.